Hello guys, I am Sachin Gupta and I welcome to you on my YouTube channel where I am uploading the video of the mathematical concept. In this video, I solve the question number from 58 to 66 of exercise 10F of differential chapter for class 12. And student, one more thing that it's before we already solve the question number 1 from 1 to 57 in part 1, 2 and 3. Those students want to see, go on my description box where I give the link. This is a part 4 of lecture 6 student. This is part 4 of the lecture 6. In this lecture student, I solve the question number from 58 to 66. As here the question number 58, 59 and 60 is already written. So I start to solve question number 58. And it's before one more thing student, it's before we move our lecture, I want to say that please like and subscribe my channel, because if you do so then you give me as a feedback and I make more and more video for you. So student, please like and share. Let's start to solve question number 58. Here question number 58 is given to us x raised to the power cos x plus cos x raised to the power x. Now student, as here two exponents are occurring on the addition, so I take firstly first exponent as a, which is x raised to the power cos x, and second exponent I take as a b, which is cos x raised to the power x. Now so our question become y equal to a plus b. Now if I differentiate both sides with respect to x, then it's become dy by dx is equal to dA by dx plus dB by dx. This is our equation 1. I considered this as a equation 1. Now since I take value of a equal to x raised to the power cos x, and when I take log both sides, then cos x come before of the log, and when I differentiate it, then it's with respect to x, then it's become 1 upon a dA by dx, and here we apply first second rule. So I write cos x as well as differential of log x is 1 upon x, and log x I write as well as, and differential of cos x is minus sin x. Now this a goes on the right hand side, in multiplication, and value of a I consider x raised to the power cos x, which come on the multiplication, in the right hand side value. So it's become cos x upon x plus it's become minus, because here minus and plus become minus, then minus sin x and log x. This is our value of dA by dx. Now I calculate the value of dB by dx. As I consider the value of b is cos x raised to the power x. When I take log both sides, then x come before of the log, as it is on the power. Now I can differentiate both sides, then it's become differential of log b is 1 upon b, and dB by dx come as well as. Here we apply first second rule, so I write x as well as, and d by dx of log cos x, and here I write log cos x as well as, and write d by dx of x. Now this b goes on the right hand side on the multiplication, and it's become x. A differential of log cos x is 1 upon cos, and when we again differentiate, then it's become minus sin, then it's become minus tan x, and plus log cos x I write as well as, and differential of x is 1. So there is no meaning to write 1 in the multiplication, so I leave it. The value of dB by dx, value of b is cos x raised to the power x, and this is the log cos x minus x tan x. This is the value of dB by dx. Now I calculate the value of dy by dx. The value of dy by dx is dA by dx plus dB by dx. So value of dA by dx is x raised to the power cos x, and cos x upon x minus sin x into log x and plus, and value of here dv by dx is cos x whole power x log cos x minus x times tan x. This is our value of dy by dx, student, of the question number 58. Now I go on question number 59. Question number 59 is, student, question number 59 is given to us y equal to x raised to the power log x plus log x raised to the power x. This is question number 59. Now I solve it. Let here two exponent again occur, so I let log x raised to the power log x as a and log x whole power x as a b. So student, this become y equal to a plus b, and when I differentiate this line with respect to x, then we get dy by dx is equal to dA by dx plus dB by dx. This is the value of dy by dx. Now I take it as a equation number 1, and since I consider a equal to x raised to the power log x, so I take log both sides, then it's become log of log x into log x, because this log x come before of the this log, then we write it log a equal to whole of square log x, and now we differentiate, then it's become 1 upon a dA by dx is equal to, here we differentiate a square of log x, then power come before of the function and power get 1 reduced, and we again differentiate this log x, then it's give 1 upon x. Now a goes on the right hand side, then it's come on the multiplication, and value of a is x raised to the power log x, and this become 2 times log x whole divided by x. Now this is the value of dA by dx. Now I calculate the value of dB by dx. I calculate here value of dB by dx. Since b equal to log x raised to the power x, when I take log both sides, then it's become log b equal to log of log x whole power x. This x come on the multiplication before of the log, then it's become log of log x, and here we apply first second rule, then it's become 1 upon b and dB by dx. Here we write d by dx of x log of log x. Now we apply first second rule here of the differentiation, then it's become 1 upon b and this become dB by dx, and when we apply here first second rule, then x come as well as, and differential of log x is become 1 upon log x, and when we again differentiate log x, then it's become 1 upon x. Now log of log x come as well as, and differential of x is 1. This x and this x get cancelled, and this b goes on the multiplication, this b goes on the multiplication, this b goes on the multiplication. Value of b is log x whole power x plus, and this become 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Now from equation 1 value of dy by dx is sum of the value of dA by dx and dV by dx, and value of dA by dx is x raised to the power log x, and inside the bracket 2 log x whole divided by x and plus, and value of dV by dx is log x raised to the power x, and 1 upon log x come as well as, and log of log x it also come as well as. This is the solution of question number 59. Now I solve question number 60. Question number 60. Question number 60. What is question number 60, student? Question number 60 again have two exponent. So I again take as a and b of the first and second term here and solve. Let a equal to x raised to the power x square minus 3 and b equal to x minus 3 raised to the power x square. This line become y equal to a plus b. This line become y equal to a plus b, and now we differentiate it with respect to x. Then it's become dy by dx is equal to da by dx plus db by dx. This is our equation 1. Now since I consider a as a x raised to the power x minus 3, when I take log both sides, then x square minus 3 come before of the log which is in the power of x, and now I differentiate it. The differential of log a is 1 upon a da by dx, and here we apply first second rule. Then x square minus 3 I write as well. Differential of log x is 1 upon x, and log x I write as well as differential of x square minus 3 is 2x minus 0. This a goes on the right hand side, which come on the multiplication, and I put the value of a which I consider here, that is x square, x raised to the power x square minus 3. This is the value of a which come on the multiplication. X square minus 3 divided by x, and plus 2x log x come as well as inside value of the right hand side. This is the value of right hand side, and student, this is the value of da by dx. Now I calculate the value of db by dx, which is given here. Now b is given to us x minus 3. Sorry student, b I consider here x minus 3 whole power x square. Now I calculate it, differentiate it. So we take log firstly, then it's become log b equal to x square in multiplication and log x minus 3. Now I differentiate it. When I differentiate log b, then it's give 1 upon b and db by dx, and we here write d by dx of x square and log of x minus 3. Since this we go on the right hand side, still I write here, does not take on the right hand side in this line. Here we apply first second rule, then x square write as well as, and differential of log x minus 3 is become 1 upon x minus 3, and plus log x minus 3 come as well as, and differential of x square is 2x, which I write here in multiplication. Now I take this b which is in the denominator, go on the right hand side and come in the multiplication, and it's become x square upon x minus 3 and plus 2x log x minus 3. Now I put the value of x which I consider in starting x minus 3 whole power x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. This is the value of db by dx. Now I use equation 1. Since dy by dx is equal to da by dx plus dv by dx, so I write the value of da by dx and dv by dx in addition. The value of da by dx is x raised to the power x square minus 3 and x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2x log x, and plus value of dv by dx is x minus 3 whole of x square and x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. This is the answer, dy by dx of the question number 60. Here student, 6 questions are remained of this exercise, which I write in the bold. and solve one by one. So starting the solution from question number 61. Question number 61 is here we given to us a value of fx which is 3 plus x or divided by 1 plus x whole power 2 plus 3x, and we want to find the value of f dash 0. So I write the value of fx 3 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x whole power 2 plus 3x, student. And here we take log both side. Here we take log both side. Then 2 plus 3x which is on the power come on the multiplication. Come on the multiplication. This log 3 plus x when 1 plus x I write as well as. Now I differentiate it. Now I differentiated both sides with respect to x. So when we apply d by dx both side, then a differential of log fx is 1 upon fx and d of dx of f of x, d of f of x. When I again differentiate this fx by chain rule, and here we write a 2 plus 3x as well as, and differentiate first time log of 3 plus x divided by 1 plus x, and first time I write, and here I write log as well as, and differentiate 2 plus 3x. Now this f1 of this fx goes on right hand side, it come on the multiplication on the right hand side, and this becomes, student, f dash x. When we differentiate fx with respect to x, then we get f dash x. Now 2 plus 3x I write as well as, and the differential of log is 1 upon x. So this value is reciprocal by to each other, then it's become 1 upon x plus 3 plus x, and this value we again differentiate here by applying first second rule, and 1 plus x I write as well as, and differential of 3 plus x d by dx of 3 plus x minus 3 plus x and d by dx of 1 plus x, and whole divided by 1 plus x whole of square, and plus here I write a log as well as, and differential of 2 plus 3x is become 0 plus 3 times 1. Now this fx I write on the multiplication, and value of fx is 3 plus x upon 1 plus x whole power 2 plus 3x. Now this is become, this 1 plus x whole square and this 1 plus x get cancelled to each other, and this become 2 plus 3x divided by 3 plus x. I erase it and write again 3 plus x. Here this become here 1 plus x come as well as, and 3 its differential is 0, and differential of x is 1, and 0 plus 1, and minus 3 plus x I write as well as, and differential of 1 plus x is 0 plus 1, and 1 plus x I write as well as. Now remaining terms I write as well as 3 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x, and differential this 3 come on the before of the log. Now f dash x as this is become 3 plus x upon 1 plus x 2 plus 3x, then this become 2 plus 3x upon 3 plus x, and when we calculate this, then it's become x get cancelled, and 1 minus 3 is become minus 2, then it's become minus 2 upon 1 plus x, and plus 3 times log 3 plus x divided by 1 plus x. As we want to calculate the value of f dash 0, so I put the value of x is 0, so I put the value of f in the place of x I put 0. it's become 3 plus 0 upon 1 plus 0 whole 2 plus 3 times 0, and this become 2 plus 3 times 0 and 3 plus 0, and become minus 2 upon 1 plus 0 plus 3 times log 3 plus 0 and 1 plus 0. Now when you calculate it, then it's become only 3, and power of 3 is 2, 3 power is 3 is 2, and in multiplication it's become 2 plus 0 is 2 and 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 by 3, and this become minus 2 by 1, then it's become minus 4 by 3, and plus this become 3 times log 3, 3 times log 3, and the value of 3 square is 9, student. So I write here 9, and when you multiply 9 inside of the bracket, then it's give you 3 is cancelled by this 9, then it's become 3, and it's become minus 12, and this become 9 3 is 27 log 3. This is the value of f dash 0. I check. Question number 61, 27 log 3 minus 12. This is the answer in your answer sheet, student. So now I go to the question number 62. Question number 62 is given to us sin x raised to the power x and plus sin inverse root x. Here we again take a as a sin x raised to the power x and b equal to sin inverse root x. So our line is, this is I let student, this line is become y equal to a plus b, and dy by dx is equal to dA by dx and plus dB by dx. This is our equation number 1. Now I calculate value of dA by dx. So since I take a equal to sin x raised to the power x, I take log both side, then x come on the before of the log sin x, and here we apply first second rule on the right hand side. Then I write x, and differential of log sin x is become cot x, and plus log sin x I write as well as, and differential of x is become 1. Now this a goes on the right hand side, this a goes on the right hand side. Value of a is sin x raised to the power x and x cot x plus log sin x. Now student, I tell you the differential of d by dx of log sin x is cot x. If you are thinking how, then differential of log sin x is 1 upon sin x, and differential of sin x is cos x, cos upon sin become cot x. So I erase it, I put here value directly, and this is the value of dA by dx. Now I calculate the value of dB by dx. So I take here value of b equal to sin inverse root x. I differentiate it directly because there is no need of to taking log on both sides, and when we differentiate it with respect to x, then differential of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Since in the place of x is written here under root x, so I write here square of under root x, and we again differentiate root x. Why? Because we are differentiating with respect to x, not under root x. Here this become 1 upon under root 1 minus x, and differential of under root x is 1 upon 2 root x. This is value of dB by dx. This is value of dB by dx. Now you can calculate dy by dx from equation 1 by equation 1. by equation 1 we get dy by dx equal to dA by dx. Its value is sin x raised to the power x, sin x raised to the power x, and x cot x plus log sin x plus log sin x, and plus value of dv by dx is, this is value of dv by dx, 2 root x under root 1 minus x. This is our answer. And one more thing, this sin x raised to the power x is on the multiplication of this bracket only, not in the previous terms. Now I go the solution of question number 63. Question number 63 is x square plus y square equal to x into y. Here we find the value of dy by dx. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So it's become question number 63. I check firstly. Question number 63 is here square of whole of square is written in the question. So I also take a square here, and I now differentiate both sides, x square plus y square whole of square and d by dx of x into y. Now when we differentiate it, then I take it as a x whole terms, whole these terms I take x, and x square its differential is 2 times x minus 1, so its power is become 1. Now we again differentiate d by dx of x square plus y square, and here we apply first second rule, x dy by dx and plus y d by dx of x. So I write 2x square plus y square as well as, and differential of x square is 2x and differential of y square is 2y and dy by dx. Now x dy by dx I write as well as plus y into 1. Now I take dy by dx in one side. So I take I multiply this terms inside of the big bracket, then it's become 4 times x square plus y square into x is also present here. So I write 4x into x square plus y square, and this becomes 4y x square plus y square dy by dx, and this is x dy by dx I write as well as plus y. Since we want to find value of dy by dx, so I take it in one side, then x come on the multiply, then it's become 4y x square plus y square minus x, and I close this bracket, dy by dx, take common. Now y I write as well as, and these terms goes on the right hand side, then it's become on the negative sign. Now value of dy by dx is become, value of dy by dx is become y minus 4x upon x square plus y square whole divided by 4y x square plus y square minus x. This is the value of dy by dx. Question number 63, y upon x 3x square minus y square, x square minus y square. Student, one more thing, that if I put the value of x square y square here as a under root xy, let me see firstly. Here friends, this question cannot be calculated by directly differentiated, so I take log firstly and then differentiate it. So I erase it and solve again this question. Here when we take log both side, then it's become log x square plus y square whole of square, and this become log x into y. This power come on the multiplication of log before of the log, and this becomes student log x plus log y. Now you differentiate it, then apply dy dx on both sides. When here you apply dy dx, then it distribute to both these log, then differential of log x and differential of log y. Here we solve, and it's become differential of log x square plus y square is become 1 upon x square plus y square, and differential of x square is 2x, differential of y square is 2y, and dy by dx come again, and here we differentiate log x, then it's q 1 upon x, and differential of log y is 1 upon y, and dy by dx come as well as. Now I multiply this inside of the bracket, then it's become 4x upon x square plus y square, and this become 4y upon x square plus y square dy by dx equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y dy by dx. Now I take dy by dx one side, so this become 4y I write as well as x square plus y. This I take on the left hand side, which come on the minus on subtraction, or you can say, and this terms goes on the left hand side, 1 plus x I write as well as, and this become 4x upon divided by x square plus y square. Now we solve these fractions, then it's become, sorry student, bracket is here. Now we take LCM, then it's become y x square plus y square is LCM, and this become 4y square minus x square minus y square dy by dx. When you calculate this, then it's become x square plus y square minus 4x square upon x square plus y square is LCM. Now this x square plus y square cancel, because it's come on the denominator on the both side, and when you calculate value of dy by dx, then here which is in the multiplication go on the divide on the right hand side, and this become x square, this become y square minus 3x square, y square minus 3x square and whole divided by x, and this y goes on the multiplication, and this become 4y square subtracted by y square, then it's become 3y square minus x square. This is to prove, to find value of dy by dx in question number 63. Now I solve question number 64. Question number 64 is given to us again, y equal to x raised to the power of cot x and plus 2x square minus 3 upon x square plus x plus 2. Okay, we take a y equal to a plus b, where a equal to x raised to the power cot x and b equal to 2x square minus 2 whole divided by x square plus x plus 2. Now I differentiate this line, then it's become dy by dx is equal to dA by dx and plus dB by dx. I take this line as a equation 1. Now since I consider a equal to x raised to the power cot x, so I take log on both sides then it's become cot x into log x. Now I differentiate it, then it's become 1 upon a dA by dx is equal to, for here we apply for second rule of the differentiation, cot x come as well as differential of log x is 1 upon x, and log x I write as well as differential of cot x is minus cosec square x. Now this a goes on the right hand side. Again this a goes on the right hand side. Value of a is x raised to the power of cot x, and this become cot x divided by x and minus cosec square x into log x. This is the value of dA by dx. Now I calculate the value of dB by dx. Since I take b is equal to 2x square minus 2 whole divided by x square plus x plus 2, value of dB by dx is, here we apply for second rule, so apply x square plus x plus 2 I write as well as, and differentiate 2x square minus 2, then it's become 2 times 2x minus 0 and minus 2x square minus 2 I write as well as, and differential of x square is 2x and 1 plus 0 whole divided by x square plus x plus 2 ka whole of square. Now I solve this value of dB by dx. Here this become 4x and this become 2x, so I take common 2x and 2 also common from here, then I take 4x common, then it's become x square plus x plus 2, and this become x square plus 1. When I multiply this minus inside of the bracket, then it's become x square minus 1 and whole divided by x square plus x plus 2 whole of square. This x square get cancelled to each other, then value of dB by dx is it's come 4x x plus 2 whole divided by x square x plus 2 whole of square. This is the value of dB by dx. Now you can calculate from equation 1 value of dy by dx, which is sum of the dA by dx value and sum of the dB by dx, and the value of dA by dx is x raised to the power of cot x and cot x whole divided by x minus cosec square x into log x, and plus 4x x plus 2 whole divided by x square plus x plus 2 whole of square. This is the value of dy by dx. I check x raised to the power of cot x divided by x minus cosec square, and 2x square plus 14x plus 3. This value is some change here in the quotient, so let me check. Here friends, I make one mistake in this question. Given here 3 and I write here 2, so I correct it as 3. When I take 3 student, then here also come 3, and this come as well as, and differential of this is exactly this, and here come also 3 student, and when now 2 is not come as a common from this bracket, then 2x is only common from here, and when this 2 is multiplied inside of this bracket, then this become 2x square. I erase this, this become दोस्तों ये क्या बन जाएगा आपका, इट बिकम 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 4, 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 4, and this 2x goes outside, and when I multiply this minus sign inside of the bracket, then it's become minus 2x square and plus 3. Now this 2x square and this 2x square get cancelled, so So it remaining terms is, the remaining term is 4 plus 3 is become 7. 4 plus 3 is become 7. 2x and this become up 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. So student, here also come 2x plus 7, not this 2x plus 7. This is answer. If there is any mistake, I will check and tell you later. So now I go the question number 65, student. Question number 65. Question number 65 is given to us y equal to tan inverse a by x plus log of it can be write as an exponent form power 1 by 2, student. Power 1 by 2 you can write it, and tan inverse a by x I write as well as this 1 by 2 come before of the log function. Now I differentiate it. Then dy by dx is differential of tan inverse a by x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Since in the place of x is a by x, so I square a by x, and we again differentiate a by x, student. Then a come as well as, and 1 upon x, its differential is minus 1 upon x square, and plus 1 upon 2 I write as well as. When we differentiate a log x, then its differential is 1 upon x. Then numerator and denominator get changed to each other. Then it's become x upon a, x plus a upon x minus a. Now we apply here first second rule. We again differentiate x minus a upon x plus a. Then x plus a I write as well as, and differential of x minus a is 1 minus 0 minus x minus a I write as well as. Differential of x plus a is 1 plus 0 whole divided by x plus a whole of square. This is the differential of log x minus a upon x plus a. Now this power is cancelled by this x plus a, and this become, and it's become x square. When I take x square LCM, then this x square and this x square get cancelled, and it's become x square upon a square, and this become minus a plus 1 by 2. Here x plus a and minus x plus a. So x get cancelled, it's become 2a, and 2 this cancel, only become a. Then it's become a upon, and this becomes, student, x square minus a square. This become x square minus a square. Now I take LCM here. Then it's become x raised to the power 4 minus a raised to the power 4, and take a outside. I take outside from both this fraction, and this is multiply here, then it's become x square plus a square, and this is multiply here, then it's become x square plus a square. X square get cancelled, then it's become a is 2a square, and when we multiply 2a square by a, then it's become 2a cube upon x raised to the power 4 minus a raised to the power 4. And this is to prove, this is to given us to prove in question number 65. Now I go to the question number 66, student, which is last question of this exercise. Question number 66 is x raised to the power m, y raised to the power n, x plus y raised to the power m plus n. I take log, student, both side. When I take log x raised to the power m, y raised to the power n, and log x plus y raised to the power m plus n. Then it can be written as m times log x plus n times log y, and this can be written as m plus n log of x plus y. Now I differentiate it, then it's become m into 1 upon x, this become n into 1 upon y, and dy by dx come as well as, here m plus n come as well as, and differential of 1 upon differential of log x plus y is become 1 upon x plus y, and here we again differentiate, friends. Differential of x plus y is become d by dx of x plus y. Now this become m upon x, and this become n upon y dy by dx, and this become m plus n upon x plus y, and this become 1 plus dy by dx. Now I take dy by dx one side, then n by y I write as well as, and this when I multiply by this, then it's come on the here minus sign, with minus sign, and dy by dx I take common from here, and m plus n upon x plus y I write as well as, and m upon x goes on the right hand side in subtraction, on subtraction. And when we calculate this, then this becomes something nx plus ny minus my minus ny whole divided by yx plus y. This is right as well as, here this become mx plus nx minus, this become mx minus m whole divided by x plus y into x. Now you are watching that this x plus y and x plus y come both side in the denominator, so I cancel it, and this and y and this and y cancel, and this mx and this mx get cancelled. So values become dy by dx is, this y go to the upper side, then it's become y by x, and this become nx minus my upon, this become nx minus my, nx minus my. When you cancel these two terms, then values become y by x, which is given to us to prove. So स्टूडेंट, ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. अब हम एक्सरसाइज 10F के बाद में अगली नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में. तो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.